Okay, so here is my example of how I usually write essays and really how I do both my creative work and my academic work. I work better in sort of um, a virtual environment like this. We've got a dark screen. It's you can organize it the way that you want to. This is Bear. It's free. You can pay for it, of course. And there are some really cool things about it. So how I write and sort of how I'm asking you to write is just do it in 2-page increments, which means just start writing right from anywhere and sort of maybe organize it based on like subtopics. So you have your one big theme, like your one big research question, and then you got sort of like your supporting points or whatever. So you can organize it like that. So I was writing a paper about a poem written by Alfred Lord Tennyson, and it was an ecofeminist reading of it, and so I did sort of my topics, my little subtopics here, and then this is how I draft it. Okay, so that's on that topic. This is the intro, my draft of it. This is my intro. I mean, this is my draft of like talking about their relationship, talking about the curse in the poem. This is my draft of this topic, etc. Okay, so I go through all of these sort of subtopics when I'm drafting. I did it all out of order. I've gone and like you see my sources are inserted here. I've got quotes. This is what I worked in for the most part. And then my final paper looks like this. Okay, so I just really I didn't copy and paste because I drafted and how like I speak, but I rewrote it sort of from what I had already written. I just like for sentences that I kind of typed out the way that I'd write, like the way that I would speak. I then typed it out the way that, for a formal academic essay. And so this is what I ended up with. And I think it's maybe, I don't know, 10 pages? 11. Yeah. Okay. So that's pretty similar to what you're doing. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys that just to tell you that there are other ways to draft, that it really is. I'm really not expecting like perfect drafts. The perfect draft to me would be something similar to what I showed you, just kind of ideas on paper um, that we can work with a little bit later. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. I've shown it to you, and I will see you in the modules.